Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to PhD Digital Maths. Today we are going to start a new lesson from R.D. Sharma, that is polynomials. From R.D. Sharma, that is chapter number 2, and from NCERT also from chapter number 2. But we are going to solve the MCQs of the R.D. Sharma. In this session, I am going to explain you few terms of the polynomials and few definitions and formulas. Okay, let's start. What is polynomials? Definition of the polynomial we will see. A polynomial is an algebraic expression with two or more terms. Okay. When you will see there are so many terms, then that is known as polynomial, but it should be algebraic expression. So what is algebraic expression? In the polynomial, we can see monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay. Monomial is सिंगल टर्म, मतलब यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही टर्म आपको दिखेगा, देन दैट इज मोनोमियल. बाइनोमियल, टू टर्म्स. कैन यू सी हियर? दिस इज वन टर्म एंड दिस इज अनदर टर्म. ओके, दिस इज वन टर्म, दिस इज अनदर टर्म. बाय मतलब टू टर्म्स एंड हियर वन टर्म. ट्राइनोमियल, ट्राई मतलब थ्री टर्म्स. Okay, three terms. So here this is one, another one, and this is third one. Okay, polynomial with four terms, then उसका जो degree है वो 3 हो जाता है. What is the meaning of degree of the polynomial? Next we will see. This is four terms, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now what are the factors? Okay, take this one as example. 4x cube. What are the factors of the 4x cube? That means 4, whenever we just expand that 4x cube, 4 into x into x into x. So how many x are there? There are 3x and 1 4. So 1 2 3 4. These all are the factors of 4x cube. Okay, factors of x. अभी हम लोग जो 12 लेते हैं, suppose we are taking example of 12. So 4 3s are 12. So 4 and 3 are the factors of 12. Just like that, 4 and x are the factors of 4x cube. Okay, terms are separated from other terms by plus or minus sign. Okay, प्लस और माइनस साइन का जो भी है वो एक टर्म से दूसरे टर्म को सेपरेट होता है मैथमेटिकल साइन प्लस और माइनस यूज करके. नाउ वी विल सी द डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. व्हाट इज डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल? द डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल इज इक्वल टू द डिग्री ऑफ द हाईएस्ट डिग्री टर्म. That means the exponent of the highest degree term in a polynomial is known as its degree. Okay, what is the highest degree? See, this is a polynomial, for example, given 4x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 1. How many terms are there? 1 2 3 term. Okay, so degree, see here, degree of the 1 is 0, nothing is there. Degree of the 3 is 1, there is also nothing. So whenever the degree is 0, what is the value? I will tell you. Okay, here you can see the green color number 3, that is known as the degree of the x. Okay, and another word that is known as power. 4x cube and this is 2x square. So this cube, this 2 and this 1 is known as the degree of the polynomial. Why 1 is not written? Anything upper power is 1, then the number itself comes. Okay, इसलिए power नहीं दिया है. And 0, anything the power in the 0, when 0 is the power of any number or any alphabet, so the value becomes 1. ये हम 7th standard से पढ़ के आ रहे हैं. इसीलिए अगर 1x to the power 0, then what is the value of this? So x to the power 0 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1 only. So whenever you will see the constant term, that is only number, that means the degree of that number is 0. The degree corresponds to the exponent of the variable in the term. Okay. Next, zero polynomials. A polynomial of degree 0 is called the zero polynomial. जो अभी मैंने just explain किया. Any number to the power 0 is equal to the value is 1. For example, here fx is equal to 8. That means 8 multiplied by x to the power 0. Then what is the value? 8 multiplied 1, that is 8. Okay. Now linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called the linear polynomial. अच्छा, 0 के बाद क्या आता है? 1 आता है. डिग्री पावर जो होता है 1 आता है. ये 0 हुआ. ये अभी x to the power 1, that is x. Right? So यहाँ पे देखो 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. That means 3 multiplied by x to the power 1 plus 5. Then what is the degree of the x here? 1. So this term is known, this polynomial is known as, expression is known as linear polynomial. More generally, any polynomial in variable x with real coefficient is of the fx is equal to ax plus b. Here also ax plus b, two terms, and the degree of the x is 1, where a is not equal to 0. You should remember this. अगर ये a 0 हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? वो zero polynomial में convert हो जाएगा instead of linear polynomial. Okay. Now note, a linear polynomial may be a monomial or a binomial because linear polynomial fx 7 upon 5x minus 5 upon 2. Monomial means single term, that is, might be you will get like this. Okay, only 3x, this is monomial. And binomial, if there will be to 3x minus 5. Both are linear polynomial. Okay, because x is there, that means the power of the degree of the x is 1. So we will consider this as linear polynomials. Clear? This is zero polynomial when degree is the 0. Linear polynomial when degree is 1. Now types of polynomials. How many types of polynomials? One is constant polynomial whose degree is 0. Linear polynomial whose degree is 1. Quadratic polynomial whose highest degree is 2. And cubic polynomial whose highest degree is 3. Consider that highest degree term is their highest degree. If you will see the highest degree is 3, you will tell me this is also quadratic polynomial, teacher. No, you have to consider the highest degree of that polynomial. Okay, so here are the few examples. 2, 3, 5. That means x is there. X is there with 2, 3, 5, but the degree of the x is 0. So what I said, x to the power 0 is 1. So whenever you multiply x to the power 0 with any numerical value, so you will get the same value. That means 2 multiplied by x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. The second one is linear polynomial whose degree is 1. Whose degree is, now if I will write like this, 2 to the power 1. So the value of the 2 to the power 1 will be 2. Okay. So similarly, the polynomial of degree 2, here you can see 2x square plus 5. One other example, x square plus 2 upon 7x. Sometimes you will get by 2 terms, sometimes you will get 3 terms, but you have to see the highest degree. Highest degree, see that, then only we can decide whether that is cubic or quadratic. Now in the cubic, the highest degree is 3. Here, which degree of which term is missing? Degree term, that is 2 is not there. If you will see 2x cube is there and square is missing, directly x and plus 1. Even though this is also a cubic polynomial because highest degree is 3, right? So these are the types of the polynomial. Now graph of polynomial. Graph of polynomials in algebraic or in set theory language, the graph of polynomial fx is the collection of set of all points x and y where y is fx. So graph of a linear polynomial ax plus b is a straight line. ओके, ax प्लस बी का जो रहता है वो स्ट्रेट लाइन में ही रहता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे y टर्म है ही नहीं, ओनली x टर्म है. नाउ द ग्राफ ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज विच शेप? U shaped, called as parabola. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? पैराबोला. सो पैराबोला अगेन divided into two types. One is upward and another one is downward. What is the condition of the upward? Again, this is our expression ax square plus bx plus c. So the condition for the upward is when a is greater than 0. A means the coefficient of the x. A means the coefficient of the x, this one. When this is greater than 0, then the parabola is upwards. And downwards कब होता है? The same expression we will take when a is less than 0. When a is less than 0, that means again the coefficient of the x square, that is less than 0, then the parabola is opening downwards. So this one is a is less than 0 and this is a is greater than 0. Okay. Now the term discriminant of a quadratic polynomial. Abhi polynomial mein discriminant term means what? The discriminant is the expression within the quadratic formula. That is, this is the expression. Okay, so discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. Okay, what is b? This is the coefficient of x and a coefficient of x square and c is constant term, right? So ये जो तीन है इसी को यूज करके हमें डिस्क्रिमिनेंट निकालना है. So with using this discriminant we can find the value of x in the given expression. Suppose एक expression दिया जा रहा है, okay, so उसका just for example I am writing here 2x plus 3x 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now find out x. So what we know, either we use middle term splitting. I think we use only middle term splitting. So instead of using middle term splitting, we can use this formula. X is equal to, directly we can apply this formula, minus b plus minus. See, always we will, in this type of expression, always we will get two answers, two zeros, that is known as, right? Two zeros. So here also you will get two zeros, because if you will observe minus b plus minus, that means one, for the 1 0 you need to add, and for the another 0 you need to subtract. And this is the discriminant b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The value of the discriminant can be used to determine the number and type of roots of the quadratic equation. Roots, zeros, roots, ये जो term रहते हैं, ये जो answer निकालते हैं ना दोनों, उनको roots बोलते हैं, zeros of the polynomial बोलते हैं. Okay, and this is the discriminant of the quadratic polynomial. Now what are the rules of the discriminant? Okay, अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा था? Discriminant of the quadratic polynomial. What is discriminant? How to calculate? How to find out the discriminant from the coefficient of the given polynomial? Okay, given quadratic equation is this one. Okay, ये equation दिया जाता है and discriminant का formula as I just explained, b square minus 4ac. Okay, now tells the types of roots the equation has. Roots matlab how many answers we will get, और कितने पॉइंट पे वो ग्राफ टच होता है. आपको अगर मतलब इन सिंपल अगर लैंग्वेज में बोलूंगी, ग्राफिकल में अगर आप रिप्रेजेंट करोगे, आपको क्वेश्चन में आएगा फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन. बट यहाँ पे आपको फिर से कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा, रूट्स मतलब क्या है. तो ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऐसे दिया जाएगा. सो हाउ मेनी रूट्स, जब एक्स एक्सिस को एक्स एक्सिस को टच करता है, जितने पॉइंट्स में उतने रियल रूट्स निकलते हैं, बिकॉज हमारा जो वेरिएबल है क्या है, ओनली एक्स है, राइट? So discriminant types of root, no real roots, two imaginary roots when d is lesser smaller than 0. When d is equal to 0, यहाँ पे देखो कहाँ पे एक ही पॉइंट पे टच हुआ है, that means only one real root. d is greater than 0, how many points? 2 points में टच हुआ है, then d is greater than 0, that means two distinct real roots. How many? Two distinct real root. When d is smaller than 0, no real roots. मतलब एक्स एक्सिस को कहीं टच ही नहीं हुआ है, यू कैन सी इन द ग्राफ, एंड डी 0 है इज इक्वल टू, तो एक ही जगह पे टच होगा, दैट मीन्स वन रियल रूट. टू डिस्टेंट पॉइंट्स रियल रूट, दैट मीन्स टू पॉइंट्स पे टच होता है. दिस इज अ सिंपल ऑब्जर्वेशन यू कैन से. अगर मैं बुक के हिसाब से जाएंगे, वो लैंग्वेज के हिसाब से जाएंगे, सी सबकी नॉलेज जो है इक्वल नहीं रहता है, इवन तो हमारे 5 उंगलियां सेम नहीं है. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, कुछ बच्चों को समझ में आता है, कुछ बच्चों को नहीं आता है वर्डिंग्स. सो जिनको नहीं आता है, यू कैन फॉलो दिस लैंग्वेज, एंड दोज हु कैन अंडरस्टैंड बेटर, देन यू कैन फॉलो द directly the question, roots of the equation, if you know. Okay, this is the roots of discriminant of the quadratic equations of the types of roots. Okay, how it will explain. Relationship between zeros and the coefficient of polynomial. Okay, इसको कैसे निकालना है? There are few formulas are there. One by one we will see. Types of polynomial. How many types? As we know, linear, quadratic, and cubic. And general form. What is the general form of linear? As I said, the degree of the highest degree of the linear will be 1. Highest degree of the quadratic will be 2, and the cubic will be 3. So in linear, how many roots we will get? Only 1. In quadratic, how many roots? 2. In cubic, 3. जो हाईएस्ट पावर होता है उसी के हिसाब से रूट्स फाइंड आउट किया जाता है. इसका 1 है तो 1 रूट, 2 है तो 2 रूट्स, एंड क्यूबिक का 3 है हाईएस्ट डिग्री तो 3 रूट्स. इन सिंपल टर्म्स आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. सो नाउ k इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी अपन ए. k को क्या लिया गया है? रूट के हिसाब से लिया गया है. दैट मीन्स कांस्टेंट टर्म अपन कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x. कैसे आया? Whenever we will solve this, हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Usually we don't have any formula to find out the value of x here, right? So ax is equal to minus b and x is equal to minus b upon a. देखो सेम आया कि नहीं? Constant term, here b is the constant term, and coefficient of x, that is a, and minus is also there, right? So ये तो हमें मिल गया. Now quadratic में क्या करेंगे? So उसके लिए formula is there. What is alpha and beta? Alpha and beta are the two zeros of the polynomial. Okay, जहां पे 2 zeros, number of zeros are 2. Quadratic equation में number of zeros are 2. So let be alpha and beta are the 2 zeros of the polynomial. Now sum of the zeros. That means alpha plus beta is equal to, these are the formulas, children. You have to learn this. Sum of the zeros, that means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. B is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. But don't forget the minus sign. Now product of the zeros, alpha into beta, that is constant term, upon the coefficient of the x square, that is c upon a. Okay. Now cubic. So here, how many formulas? This is 1, this is 2. 2 formulas are there. Here 1, 2, 3. But those who are appearing this year 10th, ये साल जो 10th दे रहे हो, उन लोगों के लिए this is omitted. Okay, so don't worry about this. But those who are in the 9th this year, you have to follow this formula also. Okay, but because we don't know what is going to happen in the next year, so अभी तक के लिए तो जो 10th में है उन लोगों के लिए नहीं है. Now cubic में वैसे ही how many zeros? देखो हमने कितने देखे? 3. So alpha, beta and another one is gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. Because 3 zeros are there. Again, the formulas alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus B upon A. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C upon A. Now products of the zero alpha beta gamma is equal to minus D upon A. Okay. So one is sum of the zeros, another one is product of sum of zeros taken two at a time. Another one is product of zeros. Okay, this is the formula table जो कि आपको learn करने हैं. Formation of quadratic polynomial. अभी तक हमने जो देखा था, how to find out the zero. Polynomial दिया था हमारे पास. That means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And हम find out किए थे the number of zeros alpha and beta. So now the reverse question if that is given. That means you have x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta. That means you have the zeros with you. Now find out this one, the algebraic expression, which is the polynomial. So for that, what is our formula? This one, x square minus alpha plus beta whole multiplied by x plus alpha beta. Okay, so x square minus alpha beta means two zeros of the polynomial, which you will get in the question. If the question will come to make how to make a quadratic polynomial, or else to make a polynomial with these two zeros. So this is the formula, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha and beta. Okay, division algorithm. अच्छा, division algorithm क्या है? What is the meaning of division algorithm? Do you know the divide and check rule जो था बचपन में? What is that? यहाँ पे dividend था and this is right. This is dividend. This is divisor and this is quotient. Okay, आजकल के बच्चे quotient इधर लिखते हैं, right? So quotient and this is remainder, right? ये हमारा remainder है. So ये बचपन में जब हम लोग करते थे, what is the value, how to check the dividend, whether our division is correct or not. So formula was dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient added by remainder, right? ये हमारा formula था divide and check का. So अभी जो है, how we can use this in our polynomials? So that is known as the division algorithm. So division algorithm के लिए, so here gx, okay, px is our dividend, gx is our divisor, qx is our quotient and rx is our remainder. Okay, see ये और ये सेम ही तो है, पर x क्यों दिया है टीचर? बिकॉज दिस इज पॉलिनोमियल. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ी ना हमें एक एक आपको नंबर दिया जाएगा. नो, हियर यू विल गेट अ कंप्लीट एक्सप्रेशन with whether that is it can be a linear or it can be a cubic, it can be a quadratic expression. Okay, so for this also we have a formula. Px is equal to qx multiplied by rx plus, multiplied by qx plus rx. That means p is the dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Same formula है. But यहाँ पे क्या है? You need to note few points. क्या है वो points? Because ये तो जो number था हमारा, अभी suppose 24 divided by 6, so our quotient will be 4 and the remainder is 0. Right? But these are the simple numbers. But here you will see the polynomials. Polynomials means with the expressions with degrees. सो यहाँ पे एक कंडीशन क्या है, जो px, ओके, द डिग्री ऑफ px इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू gx, मीनिंग क्या है, डिवाइजर का जो डिग्री रहता है वो डिविडेंड के डिग्री से आइदर छोटा होता है और इक्वल टू होता है, बट कभी भी gx इज ग्रेटर देन px, दैट इज रॉन्ग, क्योंकि डिवाइजर का डिग्री कभी भी डिविडेंड के डिग्री से बड़ा नहीं होता है। गॉट इट? सो एक तो पॉइंट ये है, सपोज आपको तीन पॉलिनोमियल, तीन एक्सप्रेशन दिया जाएगा ऐसे, ओके, तीन एक्सप्रेशंस दिया जाएगा, बट वहां पे कुछ दिया नहीं जाएगा कि विच इज द डिवाइजर एंड विच इज द डिविडेंड। सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट यू नीड टू सी द डिग्री, द डिग्री देखोगे, सपोज हियर इज 3, हियर इज 2, सो विच इज द डिग्री डिविडेंड, of course 3 wala, right? The expression which has the degree, highest degree is 3, that is only our dividend. Okay, this is one point. Another point, another one is rx, which is the remainder. Remainder is the degree of remainder. Degree of rx is always less than gx. That means जो रिमाइंडर का डिग्री आएगा that is always less than the degree of the divisor gx. gx से हर बार ये छोटा ही रहेगा। ओके, this is another point. ये एक हुआ, ये another one. Now the third one is if px divided by gx, right? Division मतलब क्या है, we are numerator and denominator. After that, if after dividing, if we are getting rx is equal to 0, if we are getting rx is equal to 0, that means remainder is 0. That means gx is the factor of px. जैसे हम लोग यहाँ पे डिवाइड किए हैं, so 24 is equal to 6 multiplied by 4. That means 4 and 6 are the factors of 24. Just like that, gx is the factor of px. Okay, आया समझ में? तो 3 points. This is first one, degree of px is always greater than and equal to degree of gx. Another one is degree of rx is smaller than degree of gx, which is remainder and quotient. And this is the second one. This is the third one. If px is divided by gx, then if rx will be 0, then gx is the factor of px. Okay, so this is our few definitions, few terms and formulas related to the area, polynomials. So tomorrow onwards we will start our MCQs. So आज के दिन आप लोग formulas जितने हैं वो आपके notebook में लिख लो. So tomorrow onwards we will start our MCQs of R.D. Sharma chapter number 2. Okay, R.D. Sharma के MCQs करेंगे and chapter number 2. And students, every day I am posting 3 MCQs जो कि R.D. Sharma से नहीं है, that is from outside R.D. Sharma. So please वो practice करो क्योंकि आपका डेट शीट भी आ गया है. So every day practice should be there. अगर कोई कर नहीं रहा है, जो करते हैं it's okay, जो कर नहीं रहा है, so keep on practicing. Okay, so thank you very much, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share it. आपके दोस्तों तक पहुंचाओ. Okay, thank you and see you in the next session. Bye bye.